In this video, we're getting low. So since dude next door knocked my garage down and messed up one of my... since dude next door knocked down my garage, I had to go get some new jack stands. Because one didn't make it out alive. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Always go with the 6-ton jack stand. I'm sure the 3 tons are alright, but they're so small, I just don't trust them. I just don't trust them. Hey, the trash is over here. This trash right there. Just put the box in front of these trash cans. Yeah. Put the box in front of these trash cans. The trash goes out tonight, so. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know if you guys know how hard it is working on a car with a child, but boom, boom. You're silly. You're silly.
Where's you? I got. He got it.
What I went with was just a stock OEM strut and lowering springs. These are Eibach Pro Series, which will lower your car, it says, about 1.5 inches. Link in the description below. The reason I went with lowering springs and a stock OEM strut, simply because this is a budget build. So, the Eibach lowering spring Pro Kit cost me $220, I think. I mean, it's pretty. I know for like a budget show car, or I know for more of a budget lowering, I could have like cut the springs, but I don't want to do that. So the Eibach Pro Kit, 1.5 inch drop. Let's try this out.
2,000 years later.
Okay. So I've never had a spring so small that it didn't give play once you tightened it down. That's why I just I took it over to the alley. That way if it were to explode off of there, it would just like not go very far. It wouldn't hit anything, it wouldn't hit anybody, but it literally just went. That's scary. Okay, let's get back to it. That is a heck of a difference. When the Eibach springs actually came in the mail and I opened it up, I was like, there's no way. That is... Okay. Well, it looks like we going low. We going low. First things first, I have to reuse this because this was impossible to find, so I'm gonna go clean it up right now. She always has to mow the yard while I'm in the middle of a video. It's almost like she knows. Yeah. Woo. Good Lord. All right. Now it's time for the moment of truth. I did the front ones, I didn't do the back ones because it's getting late, and like I talked about before, I have a child, so it's hard to do things with no garage and blah blah blah, so I just finished the front ones. I'm going to leave the back ones stock for now until probably next week when I have a couple days off. Hopefully it doesn't rain, I'll do that, but now we lower the car. It literally looks no lower than it was before. I really don't feel like it lowered it 1.5 inches. I can still almost stick my head in there. But like I said, brand new springs. I'm gonna ride on them for a week, obviously, and maybe they'll sag down a little bit or something. I don't know. But if not, we might be cutting them. Because no show car is a show car unless it's low. We gotta get this thing low. I'm gonna see what happens for a couple weeks. Driving it around, let him break in a little bit. And if it still looks like that, or anywhere remotely close to that, then we'll be cutting those. I can't wait to get the back ones on. TREACE out.